قرآني نبض حياتي، قرآني طهر ذاتي، قرآني عصمة أمري، قرآني طوق نجاتي، قرآني نبض حياتي.
God, by definition, is infinitely complex. Therefore, it would be near impossible to explain every single element of God to a child. So, therefore, something like the Trinity would potentially be more plausible because it's something that we can't understand. Whereas a more simplistic explanation of God would imply that it was something that was maybe fabricated because it's something that only people can understand.
I think that's basically the explanation that gaslights you into believing into contradictions. Every falsehood on planet Earth doesn't make sense. Hindus believe that there's a God, but God split into pieces and became people, and now we're ignorant and weak, but we're part of God at the same time. We have to go back to him. Doesn't make sense. Or multiple gods who are all infinite, and they all contradict each other and limit each other. That doesn't make sense. There are multiple religions that believe that God came down as a human being, or a bunch of human beings, or Zeus, and so on, and then they reproduced with humans and ate food, but they're also independent and they don't need anything. Contradiction. And we could always say to all those things, it's a mystery. You're not going to understand it, right? Because that's how we identify contradictions. The Quran says, had this been from any other than Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala or God, you would find in it many contradictions. So the child's mind is perfectly adapted to notice contradictions. It's only adults that get confused enough to hide contradictions behind obscurities and mysteries. But the child just says, I want to understand simply. And that's the problem, is that any child being raised in Christianity notices the problem, like I did, that wait a second, that there's Jesus and there's God. Jesus prays to God. Jesus says, I of my own self can do nothing, or the Father's greater than I, or no one knows the last day except the Father, not even the Son. All that is pretty clear cut. And I'll tell you this, as Muslims, we're consistent. The Quran says that there are clear verses, and there are verses that maybe need more explanation. We use the clear verses to set our baseline, and then the other verses we examine from the clear verses. You should do the same. The clear verses in the Bible where Jesus is a human should be used to view the more woolly verses, not the other way around.
قرآني نبض حياتي، قرآني طهر ذاتي، قرآني عصمة أمري، قرآني طوق نجاتي، قرآني نبض حياتي، قرآني طهر ذاتي، قرآني عصمة أمري، قرآني طوق نجاتي. آيات الله حمتني غمرتني بالبركات، تحفظني من همزات الشيطان ومن زلاتي. آيات الله حمتني غمرتني بالبركات، تحفظني من همزات الشيطان ومن زلاتي. قرآني نبض حياتي، قرآني طهر ذاتي.